What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and I know this is gonna be completely different than my usual videos that I usually post with, car stuff, but I will be start doing this more often, posting my personal best as far as weightlifting goes. I'm not doing it to, say, oh, look how strong I am, or, just to show off. I'm doing it mainly for just my purposes, to look at my form, and for, hey, later on in life when I'm old and decrepit, I can look back and show my grandkids, hey, look what I used to be able to do. And I am very well aware of all the criticism I'll be getting. One of my buddies, he posts some weightlifting videos, and it's insane how much negative criticism he gets. But I will be making a playlist of all my different lifts. I will definitely be doing my squat and my deadlift. I'll probably throw bench in there, because bench, I am really, really weak right now. But hey, here is my 475-pound deadlift.
Logan Reed, December 21st, 2018. Deadlift max. Let's go, baby. Go, go. Come on, come on.
So what'd y'all think? Was that good, bad? I mean, I know that my back bent just a little tiny bit on that one, so that's one thing I can improve, but I thought my form was overall pretty good. Let me know down in the comments. Well, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.